You may have heard of the military phrase AAA battery, which is anti-aircraft artillery. Well, today we are making a AA battery, but this is a fun storage system for AA batteries. So you'll find a link in the description below to the free files done by the original designer, and this is a fun 3D print and really worth trying out. There's only a few parts you actually need to print here, so it's very easy to do, and I think it ends up looking really quite good. There's also a couple of variations you can 3D print as well, as there's AA pods, which will hold 10 batteries, and there's AAA pods, which will hold a smaller battery, and I think you can fit 17 per pod in there. And of course you can go for one pod being AA, one being AAA. This can also be fully assembled with no glue, and that's what I decided to do here. I also gave it a military style paint job, which is a simple olive green, and I added a bit of gloss coating to the top of the pods to make it look like maybe something had come out of them and kind of scorched the exterior to make it a little bit different from the rest of the matte green that I was going with. And then the assembly is super simple with hexagon pegs that you print off, and you just slot them into the sides of the crew compartment, and then the crew compartment itself just slots onto the top of the base, which you can then spin on. Remember though, if you're picking this up, the base can come loose and drop away. But there you go. So this thing is just cool. I'm going to do a little bit more paintwork, I think, on it just to add something to the windows there, but it looks incredible. Let's get the batteries installed. And I think this is actually a really good gift print because it's kind of stupid, but it is actually practical. And I think if you maybe had someone who's been in the military or something like that, this could just be kind of stupid fun. And it looks great. The batteries installed look amazing. And if I could go back and redo this, I would probably do the AAAs on the other side just for the difference in variety. But I don't actually have enough of those batteries to fill it up. So maybe best that I did go for the AAAs here because I do have enough of them. Now this is a 3D print I actually seen a long time ago, and I thought about printing it out, and it's only really been now that I've thought, you know what, time to do it. But I would love for someone else to come in and make more of these kind of styles, maybe make it more actually off a real design, and not necessarily battery storage. It could be a lot of different stuff that can fit into this kind of configuration. But yeah, this is it. Look how it spins as well. When it actually is full with batteries, it spins surprisingly well because all the weight is in the batteries and they're at the extremities of this thing. So it actually spins really, really well and keeps the momentum up. It's quite satisfying. But anyway, that is our AA battery. Let me know what you think about this in the comments below, and subscribe and like. And of course, I'll be back with more 3D prints in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.